and why I call it the best car of 2024. Really guys, and why not is harder to give me permission. Assalamu friends, I hope you are well. I am driving a car for the first time, and if you guys find something in this video that I should adjust in your opinion, please let me know what do you think. Okay guys, so in this video I am using a permanent marker, so without wasting your time, let me start. Okay, now I will draw this card in 10 seconds. Well, I think the best card ever, and why I call it the best card of 2024. Really guys, and why not is harder to straight. You can see. It's so amazing. So for now you guys give me permission. Then I see the next video. Allah Hafiz.